do? I mean, you're not married. You get to have sex with whoever you want. Yeah, I can. Yes, I mean, don't think I don't, because I do. I say all the time. You betcha. Monica, you've done it, right? Of course I have. Oh, you think I'm like some 30-year-old virgin? Oh my God, you're a 30-year-old virgin. Hey, that louder. I don't think the guy all the way in the back heard you.
Yeah, I've heard it.
It's not like I haven't had the opportunity. I mean, you know, waiting for the perfect guy. You've seen this guy, Roger, right? I mean, he's not perfect, but I think maybe I should just get it over with and give him my flower. Oh my God, do it! Honey, you've waited long enough. You know what? You are right. Yes, sex does not have to be a big deal. There shouldn't be all these rules and restrictions. You know, people should be able to sleep with whoever they want, whenever. I'm never going to think it's okay for you to cheat on your husband. Oh, what do you know, virgin? Phoebe, why is smoke coming out of the bathroom? Oh, yeah, the doctor said that could be one of the side effects. Phoebe, put that cigarette out. No, it's not a cigarette. The smoke is coming out of me. Put it out. Okay. Outside your ears.
I got it.
Oh, give it